Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the car to ACC so the head unit is active. This lets it broadcast for pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth settings screen open so you can tap when the car appears. Once done, press the head unit's Bluetooth or phone button to enter pairing mode. This is necessary because the head unit won't be discoverable otherwise, making both devices discoverable speeds pairing and avoids connection. You now move to pairing. On the head unit, select Add Device so it scans, then watch your phone for the car's name. Tap that name. When a PIN appears on both screens, confirm it matches and accept on both devices. Make sure to allow call audio and media audio permissions. This lets the radio handle calls and play music. Also allow contact access if you want caller ID and favorites. If you skip that, calls work but names won't display. You finish by selecting Bluetooth as the audio source and playing a short track, then make a quick test call to verify microphone and speaker routing. If available, save the phone as a preferred or favorite device so it reconnects automatically. If the connection doesn't work, restart both the phone and the head unit, or delete old pairings on either device before trying again. This clears conflicts. If problems persist, check phone Bluetooth visibility and the head unit's firmware or manual for model-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.